In this video, you'll learn how to pay your eBay credit card. By following these steps, you will successfully complete your payment and maintain your account in good standing. Start by logging into the online account associated with your eBay credit card. This can typically be done through the credit card provider's website or mobile application. Once you've accessed the login page, enter your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the billing or payment section of your account dashboard. Take a moment to review your current balance and payment due date. Knowing the amount owed is essential to avoiding late fees. Ensure you have a valid payment method ready for use. Next, select the option to make a payment on your credit card account. Look for a button or link that says make a payment or something similar. You will usually have several payment methods to choose from, such as a linked bank account or debit card. Once you've selected your payment method, enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to make the minimum payment the statement balance or the full balance. It is crucial to double check all payment details before confirming the transaction. Accurate information is necessary to prevent any processing errors. Continue to the confirmation page once all the details are correct. After submitting the payment, the system will process your transaction. A confirmation message should appear on your screen indicating that your payment is being processed. In addition, you may receive an email or notification confirming that the payment was successful. It is advisable to keep this confirmation for your records as proof of the transaction. Payments may take a short time to reflect in your account balance, so it is important to check your account later to verify the updated balance. Regular payments contribute to maintaining a good credit history, which can be beneficial for future credit opportunities. If you notice that the payment has not appeared after a reasonable time, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching.